Hi guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. In today's video we are going to cook some white peanut butter soup with lots of kidney fish. When I say it was a lot of kidney fish inside of this soup. Here's your own bite. Let me know how it tastes down in the comment down below. Yes. The first thing we are going to do is get your meat. You can use any kind of meat that you like. I'm using chicken and beef, and this is my chicken and beef stock that I use to boil the chicken and beef. So I'm pouring that inside. You can use regular plain water, that's fine. And this is going to be lots of fish in here, so I do not want that much of chicken inside of the pot. Next thing we are doing is put in our blend onions and our blend onions and pepper and sliced onions. I like to put sliced onions in my peanut butter because it like to make it more nicer and tastier. And now we are putting our peanut butter inside of the pot. Here, if you are new here, we do not measure here. You can measure by your size of food or size of pots that you're cooking. I'm cooking a big portion, so I do not measure, but I put 5 cups of water in here. I know because I use the blender. Yeah, but anyway, put like 5 cups of water in the pot and leave it to boil. I add a little bit of scoop of peanut butter. I want it to be really light, but I end up making it thick because of that portion that I add, I promise you guys. And now put in all your seasonings. I'm putting my seasonings. I put in my chicken bouillon, and I put in some goat seasonings and some salt and jumbo. Those are my favorite seasonings. Yeah, I always use those seasonings and mix and leave it to boil while we're going to go pick the fish, pull the bones out the fish and stuff. So this is the fish. I already took out the bone. I use almost of that whole fish. I use it. I really wanted to use all of this, but it was gonna be too fishy, so I gotta use this one because it was not that big of a of a pot or a size. So yeah, I use this ones in the plates. It was so good. Like this kidney fish, it tastes like freaking I call it kuta. No, not kuta. Freaking, what's that damn fish? I forgot the name. But yeah, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. But this is how you make it. I put it on low heats now for like about 15 minutes for it to boil on low heat so the fish can cook. And that was it, guys. That was how I made my white peanut butter soup. Let me know that in the comment down below. If you have any questions, what I miss out, I will let you know. Any question, I'll answer to any question. If you have not yet subscribed yet to my channel, please do so right now in the comment down below. If you have not turned on your notification bell on, please do so right now, so whenever I post you will be notified. Okay, I ate my own peanut butter soup with some rice. I mixed the rice with some okra, and yeah, this was my own dish. I loved it. It was so good. It was so good. I want some more right now even. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Until later, bye bye.